Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 24th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the pound US dollar. And we are starting on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, but I have two outlooks on these very high time frames. Possibility number one is the possibility I've been talking about for like 8 months or more, which is this is a big expanding wave C, which means it potentially is going to just keep on going up, making higher highs, higher lows, eventually making its way all the way to about the 1.5 area and maybe even higher. Possibility number two is that this is actually just an ABC correction right here. This is like a running wave B, and this is a wave C, and it's all just a pullback to this last wave down. It's going to end up making a lower high and just continuing the downtrend, making a new lower high on this time frame, or a new lower low, that is. So either way, we should be able to recognize that on sort of time frames. Going down to the weekly, now this is the whole thing we have is a high low, high low, high low, high low, high low, high with a breaker structure. That tells me there's a pretty good chance that the trend from here to here is over. So this little move up that we're getting now may end up making a lower high and may end up making a push down for either a wave C or a wave 3. And that's really what's going to tell us whether this right here is a high or not. Because if it's a wave 3, it's just going to keep going and going and going. If it's a wave C, it could just go to a Fibonacci retracement level, turn back up, and continue the higher time frame uptrend. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a big push up on Friday, and we have what looks like almost a perfect three waves down right here. But if this is like more of a complex pattern, like a 333 or a 335, then this possibly could do something like this: three waves down, three waves up, and then five waves down. Or it could be a 333, which is three down, three up, and three down again, like this. So definitely want to keep that in mind because it's actually a pretty likely scenario. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, big impulsive move up on Friday, as you can see, and that it could be the continuation of the uptrend. This thing could literally just continue to make higher highs, higher lows. But if it goes to a Fibonacci retracement level and breaks trend on a little bit of a shorter time frame, then we'll know that it's not continuing the uptrend. So let me go down a little bit further so I can show you what I mean. So we have our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here, as you can see. If we get a break of this trend right here at a Fibonacci level, as in you get a breaker structure or a very significant lower high, that is what would tell me to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. But we do not have that yet. I would be trading this like it was in a big uptrend on the very high time frames because it is in a big uptrend on the very high time frames, and it could possibly just go up, bounce, go up, bounce, go up, bounce, and just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. So we definitely do need to trade this like it is continuing the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.